In this lesson, we're going to talk a bit about using robots in the classroom. While I'll be the person guiding you through most of these lessons, my teaching experience has been primarily with college students and in-service teachers. So I'm bringing in the real experts for this one. First, we'll hear from a colleague of mine in Rowan's College of Education who's worked with me over the years on various LEGO robotics projects. Then we'll hear from 3 educators who each took part in very similar in-person versions of this course that I ran here at Rowan. That course covered the basics of NXT robotics. That's the previous version of the LEGO robots. Janet Moss is an associate professor of teacher education here at Rowan University. She taught elementary, middle, and gifted students for almost a decade before earning her doctorate in curriculum at UCLA. Janet has played a key role in this and many of my previous educational robotics workshops for teachers. We'll also be hearing from Rufus Wright, Technology Coordinator for the West Avenue School in Bridgeton, New Jersey, Nick Handley, 6th grade STEM teacher at the Hartford School in Mount Laurel, New Jersey, and Melissa Quinones, who at the time of taping had just finished a year co-teaching in a 4th grade classroom, also at West Avenue School, and has since begun her career as an 8th grade math teacher in Pemberton, New Jersey. My own motivation for developing this course stems from my belief that every high school graduate needs an understanding of some basic computer science concepts to succeed in today's society. Like math and language arts, I truly believe that computer science should be taught across the K-12 curriculum. Since it doesn't look like CS is going to be a part of the Common Core anytime soon, I think it's essential that we find ways to embed these important concepts and skills within the current curriculum, and educational robots are a great way to do that. It's not that I want every high school graduate to become a computer scientist, but I know that every high school graduate is going to interact with computer scientists over the course of their lives. When someone says to them, "The computer can't do this," I want them to be comfortable with simply asking, "Why not?" You may or may not be as motivated as I am to introduce computer science concepts to your students, but I'm hoping that by introducing you to my colleagues and hearing their perspectives, that you'll be convinced of the value of bringing robots into your classroom.